Here's who was waiting when I came in. Oh, buddy. Like, did you go out without me, Mom? It's high. I don't know if you're going to be able to do that. What do you think? You just woke up. I know. What do you think? Think you can make it? I know. Oh, it's deep, buddy. Oh, it's deep. Look at you go. Look, is this okay, Mom? Yeah, it's okay. If you don't mind. It's like, I don't mind. I think this rocks. Oh. You're going to make Mama stand out in the cold, too. Let me shut this door. Oh, dang it. Well, he's made a entry path. Are you coming back out? Or can I come in? Huh? Where are you? Are you coming out? Out or in, buddy? Out or in? I guess that's an in. Just shook the snow off. You made me go outside. Now I have to shake the snow off again. Come on, get out of my way so I can come in and shut the door. Don't even think about it. You're thinking, oh, and you're gone. Buddy, last chance. Then I'm going to go inside and unwrap. Maybe change my pants. There you are. Come on. Come on. Hurry up. Hurry up. Clock is ticking. Meter's running. I see that twitching tail. Oh, were you not on the screen? My bad. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. I'm going to come in. I'm going to throw a snowball at you. That's what I'm going to do. Alright. This is on you, buddy. Oh, it's so powdery. I don't even think I can make a snowball. Hey, buddy. Oh. And he was paying no. Look, buddy. Look. What are you doing? What are you doing? Buddy. I can't just stand there doing nothing. Sheesh. One-handed snow shoveling. Oh, I want to make that fall on top of you. Can I do it? Can I do it? Are you all covered with snow? It's like, I am, Mom. Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that, Mom? I don't know about it. That wasn't very cool of you. Okay. Let me get my little shovel here, my car shovel. Put that over here and go back inside. Whew. Chilly, chilly with it. I'm willing to bet if he has any food left, it's going to be gone. And if he doesn't, he's going to go at me.